With incredible views, this 249-acre property has waterfalls, springs, creeks, trails, and even a cave. The cave, surveyed by the state, is 1/2 mile long. Property also includes lots of wildlife including deer and turkey, and has a heron rookery that has been used for over 30 years. Relax in the 6 to 8 person cabin and enjoy the outdoors with its variety of things to do. Located close to West Plains and Mountain View, this property is just right for the adventurer. One of the springs on the property. Creek. Located above the canopy overlooking the creek in the southwest part of the property, this tree has been a nesting place for herons for over 30 years. Mapped by the state, this cave keeps going for a 1/2 mile. Additional view. Another view. Large enough for 6 to 8 people, this cabin has an open floor plan with a loft. It is generator ready, has 12-volt solar lighting with tankless water heater shower. It also has an outhouse and a dog kennel. The interior of the cabin is spacious and quite nice. This shows the loft area, which can be used as a bedroom. Just look at some of the large turkey that are on the property. Deer are plentiful, including bucks like this one. This bear has been tagged and wears a transmitter which shows all the places he goes. He has been seen on the property from time to time and even can be tracked on the web.